Hello, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and this is the vehicle presentation of this Audi A3 Saloon S-Line 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic transmission. Now, this particular A3 is also finished in the optional Navara blue metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. Now taking a look at some of the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling at the front and also with that rear diffuser and the side profile as well. With the S-Line trim, you do get the chrome exhaust tips, chrome badging and chrome window surrounds. Moving on now to the exterior features, where we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do find the S-Line specific 18-inch 5-arm dynamic design alloys finished in the satin silver, and they do really stand out against the dark blue paintwork. To the side of the A3 now, there is that rear privacy glass in which does keep the rear occupants from view, as well as protecting valuable items that may be stored in the rear. Moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Saloon now, where we do find up to 425 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, where we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, but there's also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Now moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and laid out cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean you get the full leather seats in which do have the sports stitching and the sports design, as well as this you do get the S logos. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured 2 digital rev counters, and this screen can also access the navigation as well as your telephone connectivity and vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we do find the equally impressive dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So this has been the vehicle presentation of the Audi A3 Saloon S-Line. This vehicle is available at Stafford Audi now. For more information, please do get in touch with our friendly sales team.